What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm going to be doing a full house vacuuming to test vacuum cleaning performance. And today I thought I'd go ahead and feature my newly acquired Eureka the Boss Smart Vac. I actually bought this vacuum for only $10 at a local Goodwill. And when I got it, it needed a new belt, so I threw that in. Cleaned out the brush roll slightly, and also installed a generic HEPA Type RR bag. There it is right here. It is basically a fresh new bag. So, with that said, let's go ahead and basically make sure this thing's on. And we'll go ahead and get to full house cleaning with this. There's not much to say about it, so let's get going. We'll admit sometimes the pedal on these are pretty hard to recline because they're so stiff. But anyway, let's get going. the house vacuuming is done. And I will say, coming back and using this takes me back to the time when I used my parents' like turquoise colored the Boss Smart Vac, which some of you may have seen that vacuum in one of my older videos. I'll put a link to that vacuum in this video. And I loved the power of that vacuum. The agitation was just fantastic. So much it would actually pull the vacuum along, and it does the same to this. And the airflow these things draw is just amazing. I would never expect a clean air based vacuum to perform this good. Most of which I would say is thanks to this nice big clear tube, which to me can be thought of Eureka's first version of airspeed technology. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what this baby picked up. Woo! I'm gonna have to turn the flash on to show you this. Man, do you see all that? That is literally just fantastic. I would never expected this thing to perform this good. Well, then again, if this thing could do such a good job, I can imagine how the performance of the turquoise, the Boss Smart Vac that my parents used to have, would probably do the same. Because it was practically the same vacuum. The only thing that was changed on it was obviously color scheme, and that was the day when Eureka started getting cheaper and they don't have this translucent filter cover, so they just went to a traditional just gray filter cover. And they also added the non-marring wheels. This one's just the plain plastic ones. And they rotated the power switch, because you see on this one, up is on, down is off. On the older one, on the newer ones, it was down is on, up is off. So I'm not too sure why they did that, but it is what it is. They're both the same vacuum, basically. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning of the Eureka the Boss Smart Vac. Be sure and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.